Robo Friends of Tomorrow. In the future, there were robots everywhere, but they weren't scary at all. These robots were friendly and helpful, always ready to lend a hand. In a bustling city of tomorrow, there lived a little child named Alex. Alex's best friends were robots, who were as kind as they were clever. The robots helped people with their work, cleaned the streets, and even planted trees to make the city greener. Every day, Alex and the other children played with the robots, learning new things and having fun adventures together. The robots taught Alex and the other children about kindness, sharing, and the importance of helping each other. In the future, with the help of their robo friends, Alex and the other children dreamed of making the world a better place. And so, in the city of tomorrow, life was filled with laughter and joy, thanks to the generous and inspiring robots around them.